Hi guys, Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 21. I think yesterday was 21 or today is 21. Day 20. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to see what were today triggers. Okay, we have Crossfade, dialogue from No Country for Old Men, which goes, what's the most you ever lost from a coin toss? And then we have eudaimonia, which is a term from Greek philosophy, from Aristotelian ethics, that signifies a state of having a good and indwelling inner spirit, contented state of being healthy, happy, and prosperous. Just being in a vibe. You're on a roll, everything is going fine, you have health, you have a roof, you have food, you have money, you're in a eudaimonia state. I think I'm gonna do the crossfade actually, because yesterday on a reel that I made, you can check it out. Go to my Instagram, and someone left a comment which was texture or nothing. I really got an idea from a poster from that comment alone, so I'm gonna do it right now. It's pretty simple, but I think it will be really cool. So let's hop into Photoshop, shall we? So I placed all my layout, I placed it in this group here, and all the effects and the textures are in this other group here. And as you can see, if I toggle it on and off, you can see how all the effects apply, right? It's all a bunch of textures. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you would like a tutorial on this. It's pretty easy to do, but it would be super dope for a tutorial. Actually, I think I'm gonna leave it like this, because I was going to add like a nothing at the bottom to sort of read the phrase, but I like that the big word at the back, I think it reads still, and it's very powerful. That I think it's so distressed that you can't really see it, so it gives that texture or nothing, like sort of a meaning within the poster. So there's so much texture that you can actually read it, so it's actually texture and nothing, you know. So I really like it, really like the final result, and yeah, nothing much to it. It's Saturday, you know how it is. Enjoy the weekend, don't drink too much, okay? Take care of your body, and see you tomorrow, my guys.